So good morning, y'all. Come with me today. I am going to be doing a order for my candied popcorn business that I just started. I was doing Shan's Family Kitchen with food, but I decided I don't want to do food anymore. I kind of been decided that I haven't done it since 2023, so I said let me utilize my business. So I changed my name to Shanergy Sweets. And so this morning we got an order of 24 bags, and we're going to go get some stuff that we need at the Restaurant Depot. I'll show you guys that. So next time I'll be back, I'll be at the Restaurant Depot, and we're going to set up and go from there. I definitely need one of these. This is what I need. I need one of these. One of these big cans. I wonder how it's like $11. I don't want to pay that much. Let's see. Oh, here we go. This one's like 6. Oh, is that? Oh, it's 9 something. Where I saw 11, it's a 100 case. I think I'm gonna get one of these. So I was in Restaurant Depot. I'm trying to find out stuff I may need, because I was gonna get a membership here, but you can also get a daily pass. From looking in here, there's nothing I really need for my candy popcorn business. So I really didn't get a membership. I just did a day pass, and I got a bowl and I got a pan, and that pan was so huge because it's for commercial kitchen. But I still could put the pan to use, because I can just spread the popcorn on it. I'm going to show it in the rest of the video. The pan was huge. It's for a commercial kitchen stove. But I could have went one size down, but I still need that. That was good. So I did get that bowl in that pan, and then I headed over to Joann's. I'm used to going to Joann's. This was Hobby Lobby, and they have the flavors there that you flavor your popcorn. I had already had them. I did get a couple out of here, but I will show them in the video the food flavoring, to give it the flavoring, because this is strawberry crunch. She just wanted, her theme is pink, so it's going to be a pink color, but the flavor is going to be strawberry. And so I was looking in here for oil-based candy coloring, because that's what you need when I'm using oil, so I need an oil-based coloring for it, and they did not have it here. And I am, just getting back into this. I know all about the food side, and that's why I was in Restaurant Depot, because that was a real good source for me for food. But now that I'm doing the candy business, there's a lot of stuff I have to do that comes off a line or like a cake shop. So I went to Target, and they had absolutely nothing. I thought they had an aisle like Walmart has. You know how Walmart have the cake aisle, and you can get stuff there. So no. So I ended up at this cake supply store, which was golden, because they had everything. They had all the candy. They had everything you need for like baking. So that was awesome. And it's only like 5 minutes from my home. I didn't know anything about it, but now I know, and I will be going there. And that's the candy coloring that I chose, oil based, because they do have gel, but that's another process. And I did that before with the gel, but it seemed more complicated. I like this better, and the taste is really good. I've kind of perfected the taste on this oil based food coloring. But they had 2 different brands. This brand right here, I think I'm gonna try next time. It's a little bit more it's smaller bottle for the same price, so but I'll try it next time. But I went with the other brand because it had more in it, and I'm making a bigger, a larger batch. Then I went over here to see what kind, because I use the candy milks and stuff like that too on the popcorn, which is so good. Then, like I said, I headed to Walmart, because Walmart actually have a baking aisle. Like, I didn't understand how all these stores don't have that. None of the grocery stores, but Walmart does. They have a baking aisle, and so they didn't have any oil-based food coloring, but they have a lot of other things that you can use, like the flavor. The flavoring, like I got the strawberry, is actually cheaper in here. You can get those out of here too, but they didn't have a lot of strawberries, so that's why I got it out of Hobby Lobby. So Hobby Lobby in here for the food flavoring, and then there's some places online. I'm actually going to drop down. I'm going to tag some places that you could get the things that I'm looking for, because it's kind of hard to go get them in person. But Arizona is big, so I knew they had some. They got all kind of cake supply stores, candy stores. So I'm like, I got to find this in person. I don't have time to wait on this to come. So I'm just going to Walmart to get a few other things. Honestly, a pot. I was looking for a better pot for me to mix up my candy mix, and that's what I actually was coming in Walmart for. And on this order, I made a pretty good profit, because I already had everything besides the color that they wanted. That was the only thing I had to get, and the pot was me just wanting to get the pot, and the bowl and the pan. That's something I wanted to get, and I wanted to invest back in my business, so I did that with the first profit. I said I'm going to invest back into my business with things I need right now, because later I'm going to be doing vending. I'm going to where they're doing needing vendors. I'm gearing myself up for that, and I got to get a tent and my popcorn machine, which is I'm working on all that. And so it's quite a few things I need until I'm trying to work up some machine that I want that candies the popcorn for you. The lowest one I saw was like almost $1,300. That's the machine I'm working on to get, you know, so I can do bigger orders, more orders, because right now I'm doing this all, you know, by hand. This is, you know, me doing everything, but there are machines. I'm just not at that level to get that machine yet, but that's what I'm working on, because this is going to be my business. And right now all my profits I'm putting is trying to put towards getting that candy popcorn machine. The cheapest one I saw was $1,300, but it was a good one, and that is what I'm trying to do, guys. So I got what I needed out of Walmart. Then I'm going home. This is all the stuff I have for that order. This is everything. The popcorn, they already pre-measured out, so I counted out 24 bags is what I'm doing. And that's the flavoring that I'm talking about that I got out of Hobby Lobby. Then I got everything I need, the K-roll, all of the things I need. So this is for that order, and that's the pan I was talking about that it's sitting on, because I'm going to spread the popcorn out on that so that it can, you know, get hard when I put it in the next process. But I'm going to show it in the video. And these are my labels I had made. I had got 24 made. You can go to UPS and have them make it. It cost me like $5.65 to get these made, and they told me they'll do all of my business needs, which is great. And guys, I only been doing the candied popcorn for 2 weeks, and this is my third customer. I got the order for 24 bags, which I am so thankful, you know, just starting this business. And I've been doing it. I was practicing for over a month before I came out and said I want to, you know, do everything. So I'm so thankful. And actually there's not a lot of people doing this in Arizona, I found out, which is great. And I stumbled across candy in them by mistake. I just was making the candy mix, doing them over my candy grapes, because I've done candy grapes, candy apples. I was deciding whether I want to do that or not, but then I did this, and I was like, you know what, I'll just keep it, because I was going to do cookies, Rice Krispies, candied apples, candied grapes. The popcorn came totally by mistake while I was candying something else, and once I tasted that, I said, oh, this is what I want to do, and sell regular kettle popcorn. Like, you know, I'd rather keep it to one thing. And so that's what I'm doing. And I named it Shanergy Sweets, because I may want to add something else later, but I'm not sure. It might just stay popcorn. But I'm loving this. It's actually good, and I'm looking forward to doing this first big order for me. And like I said, I only been doing it 2 weeks, so I'm so thankful. So I'm starting production because the pickup is tomorrow. So I'm starting today. So I'm popping my popcorn. I got it all popped. You need to pop it first, and then I did my candy mixture. I didn't show that on camera, and I made sure I covered all the popcorn. This is the first batch. I have a few batches to go to make 24 bags. So I'm getting it here on a parchment sheet to spread it all out so it won't be sticky and won't stick all together. And then after I do that, I actually place it in the oven and then in the refrigerator. So I had to redo the color and make it a little lighter, and then I'm going to place all my labels. It's 24 in all, and this, I would say, once I get my popcorn machine, the whole process took me from, I started at 9 in the morning, I got done about 3, so it took me a long time because I hand popped these popcorn, popped them on the stove, and I made the candy from scratch. So yes, so I may include in here pickup when the lady picks up, if she's okay with that. So I'll be back when she picks up her order. And you guys, like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because I do drop, you know, ways to make money at home, online, side gigs, clothing brands. Just, yeah, stay tuned for the next video.